Everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Kitikaan ko one natin reaction video ang Kim Pao compilation. So once again, remember, let's start this reaction video. Tingnan natin, gawa natin reaction video ang mag-asawang to. So yeah, panoorin natin to. Ay, ano to? Oh, mag-asawa na talaga sila, ma'am. We cannot deny the fact na mag-asawa na sila. Charis. Di ba, ma'am? Mag-asawa na talaga yung atake nila. Saan dalahin? Saan dalahin itong mag-asawang ito for today's video? Ay, ito. Kiss siya? Yes, Pao. Ay, ano pa? Shakira o Miss Universe?
Para talaga.
Shakira. Parang
I
Shakira.
love Shakira. Shakira is giving me the energy today. So I love her! Sige.
Ay, Shakira.
Parang Miss Universe.
Ay, Happy Mother's Day. Ganda talaga ni Kim.
Lakats na yan.
It's about Kim Chu talaga.
Oo, mamaya babasahin nila yan.
Don't say bad words, just all about Kim Chu.
Lakats na yan.
It's about Kim Chu talaga.
Oo, mamaya babasahin nila yan.
Don't say bad words, just all about Kim Chu.
Lakats na yan.
Paano mag-jogging na pang hands? Ay, alam mo si Paolo, ginagalaw na talaga din ni Paolo ang baso sa totoo lang. Ginagalaw na talaga ni Paolo ang baso. Siya na talaga yung mismo yung gumagalaw no? Matapang na talaga siya.
Sige, nakapikit na lang sila lahat. Pero thank you so much.
What's next?
Init daw sa LA. Super lamig pala. Tapos super lamig daw sa Edmonton. Super init naman.
Chika talaga siya.
Super lamig naman.
Chikadora talaga siya. Ang dami niya talagang chika. Sa totoo na. Ay. Ay. Itong si Paolo mo, landi na din talaga kay Kim. Sa totoo lang. Ilalandi niya na din talaga. Di ba? Hindi na siya ganyan dati Di ba? Wala lang gusto din mo ka mag-alala. Go. Kung yan ang gusto mo, Pao, go. Sige lang. Support.
Kailangan ko na ngayong matching daw tayo sa sa jacket.
Ito yung pag natin. Pero wait lang, tinan natin yung Kim Pao. Tinan natin yung Kim Pao. Kung ano yung mga latest, yung mga reels. Tinan natin yung reels about sa Kim Pao. Ay, ano to? Okay, gusto mo na sa kamay bago kain. Hugas. Hugas daw muna ng kamay bago siya kain. Okay. Taray. Si Paolo ba yun? Ay, ano naman yung nagsasalsa? Ano to? Ay, matagal na to Ay. Wait lang. Ay, bagong upload. Baka makatisod tayo. Ay, taray, kissing. Ay. Wala na. Ay, alam ko na. Kim Pao interview. Tingnan natin yung mga interview nila before. Ito.
Would you be open to doing a movie? Just in the
Ayan.
future, maybe?
Yes.
Are you open to that?
Oo naman. Actually, may
Kasi ang daming
nakaplano
fans
na
na
po.
nagre-request na aside from
Actually, may
napapanood na
nakaplano
kayo
na po.
sa Free TV and then sa View,
Mm.
parang posible kaya?
May gagawin ka, di ba? Parang pinost ng...
Ang gagawin
Pinost ni Boss Chris Gazman na may gagawin.
Wirma lang. Bakit gusto mo ba ako makasama?
Ano?
Tinanong on the spot jackpot.
Ayun na, jackpot round!
Pinost ng Star Cinema.
Sa ibang press con yun.
Ayan, pero at least, both of you are
Oo
open.
naman. Ay, hindi ka pa sumagot.
Yeah, I'm open. Like I said, as long as it's different from what we've done before.
Right.
Kumbaga, parang bagong timpla naman. Nakakasawa kung
True.
paulit-ulit rin na sobrang kilig or same character or very similar characters.
Correct.
Parang maganda naman yung na-offer namin sa mga viewers yung ibang side na kaya namin gawin.
Naalala ko nga sabi ni Kim, basta maganda material at hindi minamadali. Di ba yun yung sinabi mo sa
Huwag lang
akin?
madali. Para maganda.
Oo.
Para
Ayaw
ano
na
tayo.
minamadali.
Nakasink.
Relax.
Oo.
Okay. Ayan naman pala. Ay, ito. Si Jin yan to eh. Ito. Ay, hindi napanood na natin to eh. Ito. Ano to?
What's going on tonight and how excited you guys are to be
May
back
bago
in
to
SFA.
ah.
Yes, we're very excited. This is our first 4 shows. Yeah, can you just talk about just what you guys are promoting, new projects or TV shows you guys want to talk about? Is there anything new we should look forward to?
Actually, this entire tour, we should look forward because it's our first time to perform in front of the Filipinos or that kami yung mag-head
bagong
ng show.
interview nila to.
It's just the two of us with Carmel and
With
it's our
Carmel.
first time to perform as King Pao abroad. So
Tama,
we
sana
usually do
all.
this with ASAP, pero this time, it's just the two of us. So we're
Ay,
very
just the two of
nervous
us.
and
Sana
excited
all.
just at the same time.
Speaking of nervous, I don't know if this is a good plan, but I've been seeing on the posters, Kilig. We're US-based outlets, so maybe we have some viewers who don't know what Kilig means. Can you both explain your definition of what Kilig means, starting with you, Paolo? It's so hard to explain what Kilig is because it's uniquely Filipino. But it's like, it's a mix of butterflies in your stomach when you...
It's just a feeling. Actually, it's a feeling, a Filipino feeling. I'm not so sure also. Maybe during the show you'll understand.
When you watch your show, we'll understand what it means. Hopefully. Okay.
Okay.
Hopefully.
Gwapo ni Paolo. Sayang hindi nakasama dyan si Paolo sa ano, no? Sa what you call this, sa interview. Ay, ito. Ano to? Marami.
Nahihiya ako dahil hindi naman ako
Bakit?
ganun kagalingan kumanta. Pero
Ay, magaling naman
I think
siya.
it's one way also
Magaling kaya
to
siya.
thank the fans with our performances.
Diba?
Hinanda namin for them.
And to add pressure to that, hindi lang to ba sa US, may Canada. Talagang ang daming shows, no?
Yes, with tickets. Buy your tickets lang.
Pero how do you guys feel, you get to see all your kababayans dyan sa mga bansang yan, US and Canada. And you're bringing a piece of home to them. Ano lang yung pakiramdam na nabibigay natin yung sa ating mga kapamilya?
Masaya. Tsari.
Ako medyo malambot talaga yung puso ko sa mga kababayans natin abroad, whether they're OFWs or immigrants or residents. Kasi iba talaga sa atin dito sa Pilipinas. And mahirap rin para sa atin kapag may naiiwan tayong pamilya at may mga namimiss tayo or nagre-reminisce tayo. Kahit mga maliliit na bagay, kahit candy man lang yan or tsokolate or nahihiya ako dahil hindi naman ako ganun kagalingan kumanta. Pero I think it's one way also that we can also thank the fans with our performances and sa mga hinanda namin for them.
And to add pressure to that, hindi lang to ba sa US, may Canada. Talagang ang daming shows, no?
Yes, with tickets. Buy your
With
tickets lang.
tickets. With tickets. Dapat
Pero how do
talaga,
you guys
with
feel,
tickets.
you get to see all your kababayans.
Kailangan
dyan sa
talaga.
mga
Anyways, that is all
US
for
and
today's video
Canada.
from Kimbo Compilation. This is Kimbo Vlogs. And see you on my next vlog. Bye.